Hey, to the seniors, class of 2020, I got to tell you, this is Mr. Anderson, your old eighth grade math teacher, for those of you that remember me. I know that was way back in the day. Remember when parents used to say, remember back in the day? Well, this now is for you. Remember back in the day when you had me as your math teacher? I just am wanting to wish all of you a congratulations for the year of 2020. I thought I'd walk you down a little memory lane if you don't mind. I know I'm kind of a geek. Sorry, guys. First day of school. Do you guys remember first day of school? You wrote letters to yourself. Um, you wrote a letter to yourself. I hope you got those. I hope you were able to read them. I hope they were fun for you. I hope they were meaningful for you. Do you guys remember in that year we had a full lunar eclipse and kind of looked like a blood moon? They call it the blood moon. So kind of looked like that for those of you that didn't get to see that. There you go. What else did we have that year? We had, remember social studies? Miss Fred, she had the where should the next NFL team be located? So was it San Antonio, Salt Lake City, Honolulu, Oklahoma City, Orlando, Portland? Lots of those were in her project. Do you remember Miss Carafel's The Sandlot and RU and L7? I don't even know what an L7 is. I've been teaching with her for this many years. I don't know what an L7 is, but you guys probably do. All right, what else did we do back in eighth grade? Oh, this one, Target field trip. Do you guys remember that one? Seeing the locker rooms, how cool they were. Seeing Target field. Remember they wouldn't let you walk on the grass or the dirt out there? Oh well, maybe some of you got a chance to put your foot out there anyways. Let's see, what else we got in here? Here we go. Do you remember the OMS dinner theater? You guys did Charlotte's Web. I do. I remember the dinner. I remember the play. It was fantastic. Do you remember going to Skateville? Oh, do you guys remember St. Nicholas Day where you all went to lunch and left one shoe behind and got something in return when you got back? For those of you that are Broncos fans, that was the year the Broncos won the Super Bowl. Woo woo! Do you guys remember in math class memorizing the quadratic formula? Do you still know it? Do you still know the quadratic formula? Nope, I'm not telling you. Do you guys all who had me for honors math remember the Chapter 10 test? We took 3 days. It was a 3-day Chapter 10 test. It was meant to prepare you for your AP courses in high school. Hey, how did that work? Did you do well in your AP courses? I hope so. Do you remember Miss Peterson's table tennis tournaments, badminton tournaments? Do you remember Mr. Gilbert's rocket launching? Do you remember going to the reading on the Diary of Anna Frank and then going to the play Diary of Anna Frank? I believe those were the actual characters that you saw when we went there. See what else we got here for you. You guys got to remember activity day. You were eighth graders. You finally got to choose which activity you wanted to go on. Moyer Park, going out there. Some of you decided to play a little volleyball against Mr. Anderson. How'd that work out for you? Probably well, because I'm not that great of a volleyball player. Sidewalk chalk drawings. Oh my gosh, you guys, some of you did the most incredible sidewalk chalk drawings. Do you remember the clap out at the very end? Anyways, just wanted to bring you down memory lane a little bit. To all of you, I apologize for how the world has turned your graduation into something that I'll never be seen ever again. However, you got one thing going for you. You will always be known as the most unique class ever to have gone through any system. So to all of you, congratulations for your hard work throughout the years. It was so much fun working with all of you. I still can remember all those times back there with you guys, and I appreciate all of you. Congratulations on graduating, and best of luck to you as you move into your future endeavors. Take care from Mr. Anderson at Olson Middle School. May never have to see him again. That might be a good day thing for you too. Who knows? Have a good one. Congratulations. Bye-bye.